The hidden signs of poor gut health. You shouldn't ignore. You feel bloated, tired, foggy, but your doctor says you're fine. The issue might be in your gut. What is gut health and why it matters? Gut health refers to the balance and function of bacteria, enzymes, and processes within your digestive tract, especially in the intestines. It's about how well your body breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates waste without discomfort, bloating, or imbalance. Why gut health matters. It affects digestion. A healthy gut ensures smooth digestion and helps prevent issues like constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and indigestion. It powers your immune system. Over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. A healthy gut helps fight infections and reduces inflammation. It impacts mental health. The gut and brain are deeply connected through the gut-brain axis. Poor gut health can contribute to anxiety, depression, and brain fog. It regulates weight and metabolism. A balanced gut helps control cravings, manage blood sugar, and maintain healthy weight. It absorbs nutrients. Without a healthy gut lining and bacteria, your body can't properly absorb vitamins and minerals, leading to fatigue and nutrient deficiencies. It detoxifies naturally. A well-functioning gut helps your body eliminate toxins efficiently and keeps your liver from overworking. A healthy gut is not just about digestion. It's foundational to your immunity, mood, energy, and even skin health. When your gut is out of balance, your entire body feels it. What is the microbiome? The gut microbiome refers to the trillions of microorganisms, mostly bacteria, that live in your digestive tract, especially in the colon. These microbes aren't just passengers. They play a vital role in breaking down food, producing vitamins like B12 and K, regulating metabolism, protecting against harmful bacteria. A balanced microbiome and a healthy gut. But when bad bacteria outnumber good ones, it leads to digestive problems, inflammation, and immune dysfunction. How the microbiome affects digestion. Your gut microbes help digest complex carbs, fibers, and proteins that your stomach and small intestine can't fully break down. They ferment fiber into short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, which nourish your gut lining, assist in nutrient absorption, reduce bloating and gas when balanced, prevent constipation and diarrhea by regulating bowel movements. Disruption in the microbiome due to antibiotics, poor diet, or stress often leads to IBS, leaky gut, food intolerances, and discomfort after meals. Gut health and the immune system. About 70 to 80% of your immune system lives in your gut. The gut lining acts as a gatekeeper, allowing nutrients in and keeping harmful pathogens out. Here's how gut bacteria help your immunity. Train immune cells to recognize good versus bad microbes. Produce anti-inflammatory compounds, form a physical barrier to prevent pathogens from entering the bloodstream. Support antibody production. When the microbiome is unbalanced, it can trigger chronic inflammation, autoimmune responses, and reduced resistance to infections. The gut immune digestion cycle. Healthy microbiome. Better digestion. Better digestion, stronger gut lining. Stronger gut, more effective immune response. Good immunity, protection from illness and gut damage. In summary, the gut microbiome is your internal defense system. It digests your food, powers your immunity, and even affects your mood. Take care of it with fiber-rich foods, probiotics, hydration, and less sugar. Hidden symptoms of poor gut health. Bloating, brain fog, fatigue, skin breakouts, frequent infections, sugar cravings, constipation or diarrhea, bad breath. Causes of gut imbalance, antibiotics, poor diet, sugar, processed food, lack of fiber, stress, poor sleep, lack of probiotics, natural ways to restore gut health. Add prebiotic foods, onions, garlic, asparagus, probiotics, yogurt, kefir, kimchi hydration, and fermented foods. Reduce sugar. Manage stress. Your gut does more than just digest food. It's your body's engine room. It affects your energy, your mood, your skin, your immune system, and even your ability to fight disease. If you've been ignoring the bloating, fatigue, or brain fog, it's time to listen to your gut, literally. Don't wait until symptoms become sickness. Take your gut health seriously, because when your gut is healthy, your whole life feels the difference. I know it can feel overwhelming to change everything at once, but the truth is, you don't have to. Just start with 1 or 2 small lifestyle changes that support your gut. Maybe that's drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning, or adding a serving of yogurt or fermented food to your lunch, or cutting back just a little on sugar this week. These small steps can create big results over time. Your gut doesn't need perfection. It needs consistency. So here's your challenge. Pick just one thing today, one habit to support your gut, and stick with it. Your body will thank you. Comment with questions, and subscribe for more in-depth wellness tips.